Welcome to Lernovatic Tutoring. Today I am going to explain HCF and LCM in 3 different methods. So this is something like now students can use whichever the method they feel comfortable. Method 1 is mostly for direct numbers like small numbers. Method 2 and 3 mostly for complex numbers. Yeah, you can apply any of the method which you like for easy numbers. So let's start with the example here 8 comma 12, and we're going to look at HCF first. So when it comes to HCF, what is the definition? Highest common factor. So let's find factors of 8. So that means you need to find out how you can make 8 in different ways. 8, right? So that one, how you can make it? So you can make it as 1 times 8, yeah. And then next, what are the different ways you can make 8? Then 2 times 4. And then the next one is you can't choose any other number like 3 or 4, so 4 is already there. So they are the different ways you can make 8. And then let's look at 12. So what are the different ways you can make 8? So 1 times 12, 1 times 12, and then next one 2 times 6, and then it goes by 3 as well, 3 times 4, and then again it repeats 4 times 3, 6 times 2. These are the different ways you can make 12. So now HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So now look at the factors in here and in 8 and 12. What are the different factors? They are same. So 2 is here, and then next one is 4 here and here. So then you can see that the definition says highest common factor. What is the highest common factor? 4 is the highest common factor. Therefore HCF is 4. As simple as that. And then the next one, LCM. When it comes to the LCM, what is the definition? Least common multiple. So find out multiples of 8. So 8 times multiples of 8 is, first one is 8 times 1 8, and then 8 times 2 16, and then 8 times 3 24, and then 8 times 4 is 32. And then let's look at multiples of 12. So what is it? 12 times 1 is 12, and then 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36, and it goes on like that. Now you can see it. So LCM. So what is LCM here? Least common multiple. What are the common ones here? So there is no 8 here, no 16 in common. The 24 is common. So that's the first one. Like least means the smallest common multiple. So that's therefore 24 is your LCM. That's method 1. And then method 2. When it comes to the method 2, you find out the prime factors of each number. So 8. Find the prime factors of that. 2 times 4 is 8, and then again 4, 2 times 2. So they are the prime factors. And then find the same thing for 12. So again 2 times 6 is 12, and then 6, 2 times 3, and then 3 is a prime number. So what are the factors of 8? Prime factors 2 times 2 times 2, and then 12 is 2 times 3. Now HCF. HCF means what is it? Highest common factors. You need to find out the common factors. So just what you do is you take the common ones. So 2 and 2 here, and then again 2, 2. There is no more commons. That means 2 times 2, that equal to 4. HCF is equal to 4. And then the next one is LCM. When it comes to LCM, is least common multiple, right? So you take with the whatever you take as HCF already. So the common ones you write first, that is 2 times 2, and then followed by whatever left over in the first one, that's 2, and then what's left over in the 12 is 3. You just times all of this. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24. That's the method 2. And then method 3. So what you do is you use the ladder method. It's called 8 comma 12. You put them together, and then you just find out the prime factor, like the way you did it. So find always you use the prime numbers to divide by. As 8 and 12 are even numbers, you can divide by 2. So what does it make? 2 4s 8, and then 2 6. And the next one is again they are even numbers. You can do divide by 2, 2 times 2, and then 2 times 3. So you stop here. If you have 2 numbers, one of them is prime number, you stop there. So that's that. So when it comes to HCF, you take the left side of the ladder one as HCF, and then LCM is everything. So what is HCF? Left side of the ladder, that equal to 2 times 2 equal to 4, and then the LCM, you take everything from there. So that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. That equal to 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3, 24. So these are the 3 different methods to solve HCF and LCM. Thanks for watching.